We have 2 hours to talk about hormones, which of course isn't anywhere near enough time. But I want to, in the 2 hours, give you a sort of overview of how Chinese medicine views hormones, because we don't really have a hormone system in Chinese medicine. So we have it associated with other systems, and maybe some effective ways to direct your acupuncture specifically towards those systems to sort of balance hormones. So it's not really a perimenopause or menopause class per se, although if you have questions about that, we can look at that. We're going to be looking at hormones in general and how to get a mindset on them from Chinese medicine so that we're not necessarily reliant on blood work or testing, but that we can see how whatever the lab work says, how that applies in a Chinese medical point of view. So, a sort of way of looking at hormones that is very unique to Chinese medicine. So we're going to begin with the idea that the beautiful thing about the hormonal system is that hormones have an influence on just about every aspect of life. Um, they are really associated with a sort of cyclic rhythm of life, and they're always responding to that rhythm in one way or another. In general, as a substance, as group of substances, hormones regulate growth and development. I believe this was the first question on your worksheet. Metabolism, reproduction, sleep, mood, cognition, and, a bunch of other stuff, a whole bunch of other stuff. So, that already tells you that you're dealing with something that is dynamic. You're dealing with something that is interactive. You're dealing with something that is always working on this idea of trying to achieve some level of homeostasis, right? It's a dynamic process. And it's a process that is sort of a micro process. It requires small adjustments, not just day to day, but moment to moment to try to maintain some level of homeostasis as everything around you is changing. And when the body can manage hormones well, it's a balancing act. And that balancing act really makes your relationship to the rest of the world more functional. The better balanced your hormones are, the better they are to adapting to changes in your life, the more functional your relationship to the world is. And this dynamic process, this constantly changing process, is not always the same in everyone. And it's not always the same in each individual. It's a process, a dynamic process that changes based on age, based on your constitution, based on the time of day, based on the season of the year. Even your temperament can have an impact. The cosmic influences of the moon can have an impact on these hormonal balances or imbalances, as we will discuss this afternoon. Um, the reason I title this lecture Chaos and Clarity is because when your hormones are out of balance, it does create a certain chaos in your life. And what we're looking for with the balance is to restore some level of clarity. The problem is very often how we try to restore the balance can create even more chaos. And the reason for that is because the hormonal system is a really deeply instinctual process. It is built to be self-regulating. There's a communication system where all these different hormones are talking to each other, a moment by moment, day by day, year by year, trying to find some uh, common thread that allows them to maintain balance. So when you try to alter or manipulate this process, um, what you find is maybe the patient will get symptomatic relief. Like, for instance, if you give someone estrogen for hot flashes, maybe the hot flashes will go away. Or maybe they'll decrease a bit, or they won't be as intense, which is a wonderful thing. So we can say that relief can be had by adding these extrinsic hormonal substances. But those hormonal substances coming from the outside into a self-regulating system seldom bring internal clarity with the rest of the system. They can't, adding one hormone from the outside can't reach the root of the problem. And because it cannot reach the root of the problem, it can only treat the symptom that is out of sorts with one particular hormone. That can result in chaos with the rest of the system.